Hello, I'll be going over the Node.js download. This is what you'll need to write JavaScript programs. So just search it up, Node.js download, first link right here. Here are all the installers. I'm going to do Windows. Again, if you have a Mac, ask questions if you run into them. So you just click on it. Okay, now it's ready. So then next, accept the terms. Let it go to its default. So then add to path. Make sure this is on as well. It just helps with the in the future, in the long run. You can run into some problems if you don't do this now, and you, as far as I know, you can only do this during the installation. So I'm just gonna let it do all its defaults, and this is will be installed. Okay, and then next. So if you want some C++ modules, you can do that. I don't think I will. And then I click install. Okay, that took a while, but it'll be done when it's done. Then click finish. So now I'll start an example project real quick. So to do that, check the VSCode installation video if you don't have it. But once you do, you'll have something like this. You can then either go to File, Open Folder, or right here it'll say Open Folder, and then choose the folder, and then I'm gonna click Select. So now I can see everything we're doing, and since this is for Discord bots and JavaScript, I'm gonna make an example JavaScript project in here, and then from there we can set up a basic Discord bot. So in here I'll make a new folder for this project. I'll just call it Java, or JavaScript setup, just like that. And now I'm gonna need to go in here in the command prompt, because that's where Node.js kind of works. It's where it's how you use it. And one reason VS Code is really good is because you can just start a command prompt or terminal here. If you're on Windows, you might be on like PowerShell or something, and that'll work, but CMD just works better. And if you don't have VS Code, if you're doing it somewhere else, or if this isn't working for some reason, just go to your start menu, type CMD, command prompt. This is the exact same thing. It's just there. It's within VS Code, and you're gonna want to go to the folder that you have your project, or you want your project in. So to do that, if I'm up in this command prompt, since I'm in C:, my folders are actually in my E: drive. To switch drives, you just type in the drive name. So I just type in E:, and there it's now an E:. And to go within folders, you type CD and then the name of the folder. So it's in my VBUF folder, and then see, now I'm in E: VBUF, and then CD VSCode, which is my next folder, and you can click tab to autocomplete, and then CD, here I'll do online, and then tab to autocomplete, and then CD Discord bots, tab to autocomplete, CD JavaScript setup, just like that. So that's how you can access stuff, and if you need to back out, you do CD dot dot or CD space dot dot, and then that takes you out one folder. But I'm gonna be doing it in VS Code because it's just a lot easier. It's in one place. So I need to go into Discord bots and then into JavaScript setup. And now once you're here, what you type to start a project is npm, which stands for Node Package Manager, init, which is short for initialization, and then it'll ask you some questions. I mostly just go with this stuff. Don't really need to change any of this. For author, you can put your name, and then is this okay? Yes. And now it is set up this file called package.json, which just reflects the data that you just entered. And then if you notice there, it says here main index.js. We're going to need to make that main file. So you can make a new file and then just type index.js. And now you have a JavaScript file. And now if I type here console.log hello world, And then to run it, you go into that folder. So I'm still in the same folder, JavaScript setup right here, and then type node space period, enter. It'll run your program there. Hello world. So like if I change this again, Mustafa is God, which is true, and then I just do the same thing. And now I can click up arrow, which runs the last command I entered. So it's just really easy to run again and again. Now it says Mustafa is God. Console's kind of like system.out.println if you know a little Java. And yeah, this is a working JavaScript file right here.